Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think you are
Okay,
not
so
married.
no, I'm not married. So you give me your introduction. You need to tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Vidya, and I am from Maharashtra. And I am 30 years old. I have two kids. Elder one is 6 years old, and younger one is 3 years old. And I live in Pune, but my kids have holidays. That's why I came to village.
Okay, that's great. Really, you are managing household works, your kids, and you are learning English. That's a great job.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Okay, so
And,
you were talking to your child in English language. So do you talk to them in English language?
yes, I give instructions. Come here, go there, and sometimes I speak, but they don't understand.
Okay.
But I speak.
Yeah. Like gradually they will understand. Maybe in the beginning they will not understand, but if you continue talking to them in English language, then they will understand everything. Because listening is the first step of improving English. So yeah,
Yes.
when they will listen to you time, then they will understand the meaning automatically.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what do you do
Actually,
to improve your English?
what I am doing to improve my English. I'm doing nothing nowadays. I'm not doing anything because I'm just joining this session and I'm practicing English here only. But when I started practicing spoken English, I used to do hard work. For example, whatever I used to listen around me, I used to translate in my mind in Bengali, in English language. As you know that I'm from West Bengal, so my surrounding, my environment is Bengali. So whatever I used to listen in Bengali language, I used to translate in my mind. And in this case, Google Translator helped me a lot because if I was not able to translate anything, then immediately I used to use Google Translator to translate that particular sentence, and those sentences automatically got stuck in my mind. So this is how I have improved, and also I have described some pictures in English. And one basic trick is that whatever you see in front of you, for example, there is a pen, you can form sentences from that pen as well. For example, if the pen is green in color, then you can say that the pen is green in color. This pen is like a stick, and this pen is very easy to carry, and this pen is very good, very useful to write all the things like pen has. So got it?
Yeah.
So this is how I
Yes,
practice.
I am hearing. Yeah. It's very nice. You are trying this and you are speaking also. And how many sessions do you take in daily?
This is my first session I'm joining. Actually, today because of the scorching hot, the temperature is scorching hot, so I was taking a nap. I was not able to stay in my room. I went to downstairs, so I was not able to join any session today. So just now I came and I messaged. Then I got your message that yeah, you are free.
Okay.
Are you going
But
somewhere?
you take so many sessions. You take 5 sessions. It means it is very
No.
enough for you.
No. I take only two or three, one or two or three. But I don't record all the sessions. Maybe other person who is talking, they can he or she also can record. Okay.
Okay. How's the weather there?
The weather is scorching hot and I'm sweating. You can see.
Yes. There is no electricity.
There is electricity, but right now the power supply went off. Right now, electricity is not there. Like maybe
I
because
think
of
rain also coming there.
no, actually it's not. It's been long time that it has been not raining. It's Monday today, so I thought I heard that Monday it will be raining, but but rain has not come. Maybe she has forgotten us.
In Maharashtra, rain has coming here. Raining has started here, and atmosphere now it change. Before that, it is also here also very hotness. We also have to wipe sweat.
Especially in West Bengal, the temperature is very high.
Yeah. Yes. And you are not married, so what is your daily routine?
My daily routine. Okay, as I already told you that I teach 2 students, so I do my tuition, then I practice English, and I am preparing for CTET examination, and I am studying. I am passing my B.Ed, so sometimes I study for my B.Ed, and I have a lot of project works and assignments to complete. All the time I am busy with writing.
Yeah. Okay. You are doing B.Ed, and you have done, I think, post graduation and graduation.
Post graduation.
In which subject do you? Which subject? In which subject?
Okay. I completed post graduation in English. It was in English language. Yeah, it was
Do you
English
take
subject.
classes in English?
Yes, I teach some students in. I teach them English.
English subject, yeah, spoken like.
No, it's not spoken. It's their academic subject. Whatever is there
So
in
all the
in their
subject you teach.
syllabus.
All the subject do you
Sorry?
teach? All the subject do you
No,
teach?
not all the subjects. Only English subject.
Okay, how many students are there?
Two. Actually, I'm giving them special class. Only 2 students.
Okay, I also take spoken classes. Yeah, English class.
Okay, that's good.
I also take like this 4 5 students come and I teach them. I take classes.
Okay.
Yeah. How many fees do you take? Because
How
here
many
and there
kids?
is
No, see, they are kids. So I teach only 2 kids. And
okay.
yeah,
I heard. And how many fees do you take? How much?
How much fees? How much fees? Fees. Okay, you're talking about fees. Okay, they give me 600. Like I have
Yeah,
2
like this. I
students,
also take
so
600
I take 600 rupees per one student. 600 rupees per one student.
per
What
one
about you?
student per month.
Yeah.
Okay. I also take 600 rupees per month per student. And there are some ladies and they also don't know English. They want to learn English. They came at me and I learned English. Them.
You teach them. You teach them.
Yes. I teach them grammar concepts and give structure to them, and they read and they make sentences.
Okay.
After giving
That's good.
structure, then I give topic to them, and they talk on that topic.
But why you are not sitting at one place? You are standing and you are talking.
You are seeing me because I have 2 kids, and my sister-in-law, she has 1 kid. They are here, and there are 3 kids here now. They are playing here, and sometimes running started, and they are playing here and there. I said them, come
Okay.
here, don't go there. My mother-in-law is there. She's uh, she has some animals like goat. She's
Oh,
feeding
okay.
some grass. That
Good.
goat.
You are really doing a great job. Yeah, you are really doing a great job. You are multitasking. You are a multitasking lady because you are managing your kids at the same time you are talking in English language. That's good. I appreciate that.
Yes. Do you know which ma'am? Dehati ma'am. Do you know? Do you have seen? I think
They are,
have you seen Dehati?
I have seen her. Everybody knows her. Everybody knows her. She's very famous in YouTube. And yeah, I have subscribed to her channel and I am a subscriber of her, you can say. So I know very well.
Okay. And by watching these videos, by watching her videos, everyone started like they're doing like this.
Yeah, everybody got motivated. Everybody
Yes.
got motivated after seeing her videos. And yes, really, she's a great instance of a great lady, you can say. Like if somebody wants to do something, now then they can achieve it. If they have
Because
willpower
English
to
is,
achieve it, then
in which English subject is very important. If you get command on that, you can do anything. You can take classes. You can make videos. You can run a YouTube channel. Anything you can do. You can become a public speaker, motivational speaker.
yeah,
There is
yeah. And
a
if you know English now, then you can teach others in this English subject. And the demand of English is very high nowadays because everybody is learning English. So if you can learn English, then you can teach other students. And English is such a subject that everybody will take classes and they will join tuition to learn this language.
I have started to take tuition class last year. At that time,
That's
there
good.
were no students.
Hmm.
I taught only one lady. I took only 3,000 rupees per month.
Wow.
She was not giving. She was not giving on time. But I
Hmm.
have to take spoken classes. I know that if I started, it will
Hmm.
grow
Yeah,
gradually.
it
That's
will.
why I forget. And in this year, there were 4 or 5 admissions was there. But I had a holiday, and my children also had holiday. They also have holiday. That's why I thought that if I spend 1 month here, my children will play here, and they will become feel satisfaction. They feel satisfaction.
Yeah,
This
if I upload this video
atmosphere.
now, my if I upload this video, my viewers will get motivated after seeing this video. Really.
Yeah. But I told you that my face is not looking
Yeah,
properly
yeah,
because my face is
proper.
looking blunt because I had something to my mobile.
Maybe your camera got cracked. That's why.
Yeah. That's why it's happened.
Okay.
And is there any problem while learning this language?
Problem is it's like that sometimes. Even though I know some words, so those words don't come to my mind whenever I speak. This is one major problem. You can say that everyone is facing this problem. And if you talk about normal conversation, then I can speak in English uh, uh, without facing any difficulty. But if you give me a topic to discuss about that, then sometimes I fumble. So these are the problems, and yeah, I need to improve my accent. I don't have any British or American accent, so I need to improve that.
I also want to learn the British accent and American accent.
But actually, it's not necessary to learn British and American accent because Indian accent is very popular all over the world. If you know Indian accent, that is more than enough.
Yes,
Everybody is
yes.
using. Everybody will understand your accent. Indian
Uh,
accent is very.
when have you been learning this language?
How long have I been learning this language? How
Yeah,
long have I? Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so I have been learning this language for 1 year, more than 1 year. But the thing is that for 3 months, I worked hard. But after that, I stopped working hard. I just continued my practicing. Like I just continued talking in English language, but not regularly. Just like sometimes I used to talk in English. But I worked hard for 3 months, and after 3 months, I got fluency in English language.
You are speaking very well. You are speaking very well. But when did you join this group?
Maybe 3 or 4 days ago. I don't know about this group. One day, I was watching YouTube videos. Then I saw a girl. Then I texted her. Then she added me in this group.
Yeah. Okay. I have added this group. I think 1.5 years, 1.5 month ago. But when I came to
Okay.
my village, and here also fear means goddess जो जेत्रा वगैरह होती है आपको you don't know I think
What is
function.
this? Like you are saying confidence. Confidence.
No, I am saying you that um, in my house there were a function
Oh, function. Okay.
of of God every
Okay.
year
Which god?
that we have
Which god?
with God. Mosoba means Mosoba. I think you don't know because and every year we have to celebrate this function, and
Okay.
that's why I came here and I have to work a lot.
Okay. Okay. I know that you are working hard. Okay. So it's been 21 minutes. So can we end the session now?
Okay.
Okay. Bye then. It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
Yeah. Bye.